VisionPlus Awards Arabia. Let's celebrate excellence. Plus Media celebrates the biggest, most prestigious awards for the Middle Eastern optical community.
Good. Keep in touch. I want best quality on the market. Yeah, for me it's easier to make it in Guangzhou because I'm doing 2 months. I'm going to Guangzhou. It's easier because I can bring in samples. You do business
where?
fashion.
The optical here. The website.
Local and
The shop
Europe.
Europe.
Yeah. So for me it's easy. If I go I mean sunglasses.
VisionPlus Awards are winning. Let's celebrate excellence. Plus Media celebrates the biggest, most prestigious awards for the Middle Eastern optical community.
Thank you. Nice camera.
Yes, nice camera.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Where are you from?
Me, I am
Iran. Looks like Arabic girl. I thought Lebanese, Syrian, honestly. No, Iranian girls very beautiful, and this is fact. And Iranian arts, the best.
And Iranian man, super strong.
Football, Iran, very, very strong. I like.
So if I manage to show you this, we need to develop this silence as soon as possible. Minimum 100.
Hello.
Hi, sir.
How is it handmade? Can you explain for me?
Yes,
How?
this frame do not have any screw, anything at all. Everything are
Bended.
just bended by hands, and you can also just
Assemble
mount it.
But is it fixing good? Not falling
Yes,
down? Not,
like this.
Oh, okay. New technology.
Yes,
Is it available in your market?
yes. This is made in Dubai.
Because I like frameless something like this.
Yeah.
Frameless.
Okay.
Do you have shop here or?
Yeah,
what?
you can check it in any Rivoli shop, Maghrabi.
Ah, they have it. Nice. I like the designs also.
Yeah.
And how much roughly?
Retail, it's from 1,450 to 1,750, depends.
Good.
Yeah.
Not expensive. But practical? Is it practical from your experience?
Yes,
Sure.
it's very durable, and we did not receive any complaint
complaint.
after that. Yeah.
So it is all made in UAE.
Yes.
Good. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is my client.